Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum Matic Cardano, Solana, and SHIB in that order. Also, guys, I do like the run that Dot just made recently. I did talk about that about a week ago, or maybe 2 weeks ago. I talked about that potentially becoming a big move. But if you guys watch my channel from the beginning, you guys know we've been buying that in the 20s in the $20 area. So we're still holding good on Dot. So I think it's going to go even higher. Could it have a pullback where it's gone up from here? Yes, it can. So just be aware of that. But we're going to start off with Bitcoin, guys. And I didn't do a video yesterday. I do apologize. It was Halloween. I was hanging out with the fam. But it's funny because I didn't do a video, and all of our levels hold up perfect. Look at this. We hit the high. We hit our high at 62.92 yesterday. Or I'm sorry, 62,961 area. So we hit that high. Then we came down. We touched my support line. I never touched any of this, guys, because I didn't do a video yesterday. This is from my previous video. Look how we respected every single one of these lines. Look at this. We got a bounce here. Boom, came up, came down, touched the low, guys. The low, 59,500. 59,500. I told you about this area, guys. Then we came up. Then we hit my second high, which is at 62,500. So we got that area there. Actually, on my chart, I have 62,463. But guys, we always give or take, $20, $30. I always tell you that, right? So we hit that high there. Then we came back down. Look at this, guys. We came back down. We're now touching 60,350 area as support as we speak. So I would like to see that hold up. If not, I would like to see the $60,000 area hold up. And my last line of defense, of course, I don't want to see the 57,600 area where we wick down. I don't want to see that break. Okay, and I really don't. I don't want to see a 4-hour candle closing under 60,000. I mean, if it does, not the end of the world. It did happen. Yeah, it did happen right here. But it hurts when that happens. It makes it a little bit weaker. But so I'm looking for a bounce. Let's see. This does look like we still got about 40 minutes till this next candle closes. So let's see if we can get a bounce here. If this candle, it looks like the hourly's looking nice. If this can turn green and get above this previous candle, and we can get maybe a daily candle closing above the 61,200 area, that would look nice. I would really like to see it get above the 62,500 area or 63,000 area. That would be more ideal, but I don't know if that's going to happen in the next 40 minutes. But anything can happen. Bitcoin. I mean, look at this candle right here. That was almost what, a $2,500 dollar move there in less than an hour. So, or about an hour's time, give or take. So yeah. So I mean, it could happen. So let's see if that happens. But that's what I'm looking for. And then maybe if we can get above that 63, we can hit that 64,500. Everything's still relevant from the video I did on Saturday night. Same thing with Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, we talked about this W on Saturday night. And if you look, we actually started to break it. And we actually started to come up and hit. We were getting close up to my targets. And then Bitcoin tanked on us. And we just folded like a lawn chair. We came back, we bounced again. We keep hitting my line here at coming in right around 43.85. So what I really want to see, guys, I want to see another 4-hour candle closing above 43.85 area, and then holding that line, okay, and then maybe we can get past this all-time high. Coming in at 44.63 area, okay? To the downside, we wicked it a couple times, but we still haven't got a 4-hour candle closing under the 41.84. I talked about that level on Saturday. We never got a 4-hour candle closing on there. We got a couple wicks. But if we do, then I would look for this, like I said, the 40,085 40,085 to 40,090 area, or even 40,000. I'm sorry, 4,085 area to 4,118 area. If that doesn't hold, let's see if 4,000 holds up. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Let's see here, and then if we do get a 4-hour candle closing above here, I'm looking for this thing to skyrocket. Okay, so maybe get up to that $5,000 area that we've been waiting for. Let's see here, Matic, we came down, guys. My last line of defense at 180. We ended up hitting that $1.80 mark. We got our bounce. We came up, and now we're just trading sideways right now. This was a heck of a run from here up. But I do believe this is going to just trade sideways, kind of like what Solana's doing. I'm going to go to that example in a minute. And then Solana's going to break out. I think Mac's going to go with it at some point. But I want to see this 180 hold up. Don't want to see a 4-hour candle closing under there. If that happens, then maybe we could see even 167 to 157 area. That could be a possibility. So let me mark that down right there. So 167 could be a possibility. To the upside, guys, I do want to see a 4-hour candle closing back above the 193. We're getting pretty close to it, or even a daily would look nice. And then, we can get above this $2.02 area or $2.04 area. And then kind of just break out. And then we really want to get above this $2.22 area, what we talked about, all the way back here as being our target, which was red at the time, but I accidentally erased it and then had to make it blue again. And then we can look at these levels, 234, 243, and 282, okay? So for Cardano, we came up out of this move from my video, and we got up to our 202 mark. Did we get to 203? We got to 203, and then we came crashing down with Bitcoin when Bitcoin crashed. So in Saturday's video, we did hit our target there, but then we crashed, and we came back up. We flirted around in my $1.89 area, or I'm sorry, $1.98 area. And now we're still holding this support at $1.90. So I want to see that $1.90 hold up, and I want to see a 4-hour candle closing. I'd really like to see it get above 206. But for right now, above 202, 203 to maybe push this to get to this 206. And then if we can do that, maybe get above this 212 and then $2.21 mark, okay? We're still waiting for Cardano. It's really not doing much. If that 190 doesn't hold, we'll bring this down to the previous low, which was coming in right around $1.84, okay? Solana, guys, we came out of our move like we talked about in Saturday's video. We came out of it. Guys, I talked about $212 being a target. We got to $211.68. We came very, very close. But guys, I always say front running the dollar, right? So, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But that's what they did. They front runned it like 50 cents on us or something. But we basically hit our target there. Coming out of this, our first target, my main target would be this previous high coming in around 218. And I do believe if we break above this 212, 213 area, we'll test this 218. If we get above there, 4-hour candle closing above there, we should see new all-time highs, 230 to 235, and then get up into this zone where I'd be looking for a pullback anywhere from 259 to 244. And if we do break that, then 276 to 271, or even, and then get up to this $3 mark. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Solana. And what I want to see hold up, guys, is I want to see this 193 area hold up. Okay, so I want to see the 193 area hold up. Last line defense, 185. All right. So that's what I'm looking at. Solano, Shib. I actually erased some of the lines I had on Shib here, but it was pretty. Let's see. We got a bounce off my line. Yeah, we called that bounce. That was on Saturday. We already got that one. Oh, okay. So we got this bounce. So Saturday's video, I called maybe a bounce here coming in at 6,575. Guys, we got 6,570. That's incredible. I mean, that's incredible. We got to bounce perfectly where we wanted it. We didn't quite reach my target up here. We got up to 75, and I was saying 76. Little off there, but that's because Bitcoin started tanking. The market started acting funny. What I would like to see hold up, let's see here. What was this? Actually, I want to see this level hold up. Coming in right around 68.20. And then I want to see our level right here, 65.70 area to 64.60 area hold. Now, if that doesn't hold, my last line of defense would be this 6,130 area. And then, of course, the 57.89. To the upside, I still want to get a 4-hour candle closing above. I rather see above 78.62. If we could do that, then we could push this thing back to all-time highs again, and that's for SHIB guys. So let's see if that happens. And I think that's it for tonight's video. Let's see, anything special we're seeing? Let's go back. Nothing really special here. I do like Ethereum, guys. I think Ethereum set is ready. It's getting ready. It's overdue. Let's push this back up. I don't like that, how I did that. Is this 4 hour? Oh, that's why we're on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, we had this W pattern, guys. God, we almost had it. All right. Let's go 4 hour. Let's see. Do we have anything? I'm getting rid of this because this is irrelevant now. But I told you guys, I don't like those patterns on the 1 hour. They work better on the 4 hour and daily. But they do work on the 1 hour, so you got to respect them every once in a while. Just a higher percentage of it working on the bigger time frames. Let's see here. What do we got? Okay. Something like this. Oh, so we do got to maybe watch out for a little sideways and down unless we get a pop from Bitcoin. Yeah, so I want to see this 41.84 level hold. I mean, if it doesn't, it could wick like it does. It's just we don't want to see a 4 hour candle closing under there. But yeah, let's see if it breaks this trend, guys. It comes out of this trend and breaks this all-time high. That's Ethereum. Let's see here. Boom. But I think that's it for tonight's video. Not much here. I mean, Bitcoin's just ranging sideways right now. I mean, the 1 hour is failing us right here on this bounce. But we still got a half hour left. So let's see how this if we get a nice bounce. This is a nice candle. But I would like to see this one turn green and keep going here. Okay, something like this right here. We get this pattern. We get the 3 or 4 in a row. Or even right here, to get a breakout. Let's see here. But you never know. Could be some news that comes out and this thing could just rip. So let's keep an eye on it, guys. I think that's it for tonight's video. I'm not seeing much right now. We're going to have to wait for the daily candle to close. Maybe we see some action there. Let's look at the daily real quick. Yeah. This is an iffy candle, guys, because we did get a nice bounce. So the bulls did get a nice bounce here off my target. Perfect. This was from, guys, this target was from Saturday. I drew this up on Saturday for you guys. It played all the way through Sunday. All you had to do is watch Saturday's video. I know I didn't make a video yesterday, but if you watch my previous video, all my targets worked out perfect anyways. And we hit the upside of it. We hit the downside and the upside on today's candle. Look at this. Boom, boom. And that's from Saturday, guys. I mean, hey, it is what it is, right? This is why we're doing technical analysis. This is why you guys are going to hit that thumbs up for me and get my channel out there so I could go live and start charting stuff that you guys want to chart. This is why you're going to sub, hit that bell, hit that all so you don't miss any of my videos. Because, guys, I mean, who's doing this? I don't know anybody that's saying, hey, guys, days before, guys, predicting these moves days before. This, look at this. The day before we did this high and low. Then this was on Saturday when I made the video. Then Sunday I missed the video, but I drew this up for you on Saturday. And then we nailed this move today. I mean, guy, who's doing that? But this candle right here, if this can turn green, let's see. What do we need here? This will look very, very bullish if it does. We just need 0.5%, guys, in the next half hour. I mean, or even a little bit more upside. And this daily can really turn this around. So let's see if that happens. There's no guarantee right now. So let's just keep an eye on all this and see what happens. Listen, guys, I'm going to leave my link to Webull in the description and my link to Twitter. So you guys can follow me on Twitter. And if you sign up to Webull using my link, you deposit $100. You wait a couple days. You get some free shares. And then you can wait a couple days, sell those shares once your money's cleared. And then you can buy some free SHIB. And it's always never hurts to get to free SHIB, right? So listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope everybody had a great Halloween yesterday. And much love to you guys. Peace out.